official. Wale had the best weekend ever. Though he had to cancel his highly anticipated performance at the One Africa Music Fest in Brooklyn on Saturday at the last minute, he had a life-changing reason for missing the show. He and his girlfriend welcomed their first child into the world. Yay! All right, guys, so here are the deets. While many of his fans have heard rumors that there was a baby on the way, Wale never spoke about it openly. After he suffered a miscarriage with his ex and opened up about all the pain he endured earlier this year, we can all understand why. But now the DC native is happier than ever. On Saturday night, he and his girlfriend, Chloe Alexis, welcomed a little girl into the world named Zyla Moon. Late Saturday night, he took to Instagram to share how he was feeling. He wrote, "Overjoyed. I keep the most important things in my life so far away from people because I'm sensitive. Nevertheless, I spoke on the downward spiral that ensued after complications with my previous child. For that very reason, I kept this very private as I prayed every day to receive this blessing." Amen, Wale. He went on to thank his friends like Rihanna, Bryson Tiller, Kehlani, Tiana Taylor, and Iman Shumpert for supporting him and keeping this all quiet during this time. Before he added, "I named my album Shine when I knew my baby girl was on the way. I want to be a better man. My focus is renewed. I'ma keep working on me and pray to God I can design a young princess who flourishes to an absolute queen. I got you, baby. You are my everything, and I'll see to it we shine, my precious Zyla." Oh man, I'm over here fighting back tears just reading this. Congrats to Wale and his new family. I pray all the blessings in the world for you, Chloe, and baby girl Zyla. Send Wale some love on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks or in the comments below. For more music news, head over to BET.com right now. I'm Gia Peppers, and I'll see you next time.